Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor system manufacturer and supplier since 2007, located at Shanghai, China. Today, there is one set combined screw air compressor ready to ship to USA. The combined air compressor is one set screw air compressor, one set refrigerator air dryer, three pieces of different level precision features, and one piece air storage tank built in one. The combined screw air compressor is very convenient for the installation when the air compressor arrives to customer factory. Only need power on and connected the air piping, just could use it directly, and also more space saving. Okay, now let's ask Khalif to help us open the air compressor cabinet to let us see the inside of the air compressor machine. The combined screw air compressor is 50 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt, and the working pressure is 10 bar, and the voltage is custom made for the USA's customers. Okay, the screw air compressor equipped with a air storage tank, 540 liters. The air storage tank is two tank. The design of the air storage tank is two tanks connected in a series. It can make sure the air storage tank with good water feature efficiency and also more stable and working with a lower vibration. It also can make sure more safe when the air compressor working. Okay, here is one set refrigerator air dryer. The plate type refrigerator air dryer is with good drive efficiency than the ordinary shear tuber refrigerator air dryer. The heat exchanger is a plate type. Okay, here is the three levels precision features with Italy technology. It's very easily to replace the feature element. The pipe is a stainless. The pipe is a stainless 304 material. It can make sure the compressed air without non-pollution, and make sure compressed air more clean. And the working pressure is 40 bar of the stainless connector and the pipe. And it also can make sure 100% non-leakage. And as for from the screw air compressor to the air storage tank, the pipe is Italy Manulier brand. It's also a leader tuber manufacturer in the world. Okay, let us see the inside of the air compressor machine. Here is a pre-feature. It's very easily to do the maintenance and replacement to make sure more clean air to enter the air compressor cabinet. It can make sure the using life of the air filter element, and also can extend the maintenance time of the air filter element to make sure more clean air to enter the screw air ring. The key part is the screw air ring with GB technology, ZIQI custom made. The 5:6 tooth ratio to make sure the air compressor working with a higher efficiency, durable, and higher quality standard. This is another key part, electric motor. It's IP55 protection, class 5 insulation, class B temperature rise to make sure the air compressor to suitable for any harsh environment and with IE3 higher efficiency, a synchronous induction motor to make sure the air compressor working with a higher efficiency and energy saving. And the efficiency is never weak after using for many years. Okay, this is the base for the screw airing and the electric motor. There are 4 pieces shock pad for the base to make sure the air compressor working with more lower vibration and lower noises to reduce the failure rate. Okay. Here is a special design for the electric motor. It can be very convenient to adjust the tightness of the bed, and also very easily to replace the belt. The special base design for the electric motor just need to screw out the nut to adjust the tightness of the belt, and also will be very easily to replace. As for the belt, its Germany OPT belt brand is also a leader belt manufacturer in the world. As for the oil tuber, it's Italy Manulia brand. The using life is 5 times than ordinary, and with ZIQI unique connection technology to make sure 100% non-leakage. And this is the oil air vessel, bigger size than ordinary and equipped with a safety valve, pressure gauge, and oil level mirror. And as inside, equipped with a Gemini technology oil air separator, with Gemini technology and lower pressure drop to make sure more higher efficient and more energy saving. Okay, here is the electric component. ZIQI Compressor adopted French Schneider brand. It's also a leader electric component manufacturer in the world. Quality assurance. And the air compressor is air-cooled by the extra fan, a bigger size and bigger power the extra fan to make sure the air compressor working for a long time. Okay, if you are interested in the screw air compressor machine, feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.